This is now part 3 on how to start your YouTube channel, how to grow your YouTube channel, what things should you do if I have to start my YouTube today, which I'm starting today, how and what things I'll be able to do differently so that I can grow my YouTube channel to be a bigger YouTube channel. As I said, the majority of people who are telling you how to grow YouTube channel are already a bigger YouTube channel. So for me, I'm taking experience of being a bigger YouTube channel, and I'm going to do on a practical, starting a brand new YouTube channel. As I've started today, a YouTube channel is called Fully Funded Scholarships with EBM, solely and exclusive for scholarships opportunities for people from developing countries. That is be a YouTube channel. The link is below. And as I said, the day I'm going to start my YouTube channel, already I've created 10 to 15 videos. So if you go to my YouTube channel, you'll be able to see some of the videos already uploaded there so that you can be able to start. I've explained in the first video why I'm starting a YouTube channel, why I'm setting that name, and so forth. All those kind of things I've been able to break down to you. So let's go to another part. The other part is, how long should my videos be? That is a very good question. How long? There is a debate. Are longer videos good to get more views, or are shorter videos are going to get more views? Are short videos versus long videos, which one will be able to get more money down the road? For me, I've been advising people, for the matter of getting more watch hours, sometimes it's better to have longer videos, but not necessarily if longer videos, but you don't have good things to talk about. Because it's not about the length of the video. What are you actually talking? There are some of the people, if they are talking, you can watch that video even for 25, 30 minutes. But there's some people, if you force yourself to make a video just to have a longer video, just for the matter of having a longer video and talking the things which are not important, someone will drop from that video within the first 30 seconds or the first minute. So the point is not about how long is the video. The point is, what are you going to capture? What are you going to talk from the beginning up to the end? The content, the way you present will determine how long is the video. So don't worry about, I must make a 10 minutes video. What if after 4 minutes you have nothing to talk about? Are you going to talk with the nonsense? No. Make sure the content is going to determine, the way you present is going to determine the length of the video. It's just like how you write the books. If someone asks me, why did you write this book over 450 pages while another book is about 200 pages, while another book is 100 pages? Why? Because the content of this book forced itself, the book, to be this big. When I reached 100 pages, already the content was over. I finished. I don't need to have to force myself to keep putting the longer video, the longer content, just for the matter of adding pages. So don't just make a book just for the matter of pages. I'm going to write 500 pages. What if you don't have the content of 500 pages? The same way when you're going to make the video. The goal should not be, I'm going to make a 10 minutes video. The goal is, I'm going to make a video of this topic. That topic, the way you are going to present, it will determine, will force you to have 4 minutes, 7 minutes, 10, 15, whatever minutes. That is the most important thing. And there is no advantage that if you have a longer video, by automatically, many people watch your video. No. There is no that kind of that. And sometimes, depending on your audience, if your audience are good into shorter videos, you have that you are used to give them, and that's what your retention is, go ahead and put shorter videos. But if you are used to a longer content and that's what you enjoy and people watch, there are some people get a lot of watch hours, a lot of those kind of, because they do maybe live stream, or it's just like a vlog and people are so much interesting. Like for instance, Mr. Beast. If Mr. Beast is on YouTube channel, how is he presenting and the nature of his content? Even if it's an hour, you have to watch. That's how good he is. So Are your content and the way you present worth 20 minutes video? So now, because most of my videos, especially I'm talking about the one which will be on scholarship on this new channel, scholarships, I'm going to divide into two. There are most of these one will be shorter videos, 5 to 10 minutes maximum, because the nature of the topics are the one which don't allow me to have longer videos. Then when I'm going to do a presentation of the actual scholarship, like today I'm going to talk about Chevening scholarship, I'm going to talk about Fulbright scholarship, those will be longer videos because I have to explain the overall and I have to show the form to do a tutorial on how to fill it. Those will be 15, 20, whatever, depending on how it takes away. So that's why most of the topics, if you can see here, they are topics, how I'm creating the topics. What is a scholarship? So I'm not going to talk 20 minutes about what is a scholarship. How much percentage do they cover when you get the scholarship? So that video is not a 10 minutes video. If I ask, I said the question, for instance, which countries are good in Europe to go to study to get your scholarships? That I'm not going to have 20 minutes video to discuss about that question. So the new channel is coming with a strategic into dividing into shorter videos which are straight to the points, but the longer one will be presenting the actual scholarships, which will be 10 to 20 minutes. But majority will be 3, 5, 8 minutes. I'm okay with that. So that is what you want to know about making the content. How long should the video be? I've watched some of the Think Media videos, 45 minutes video, all of it. But there are some of the videos, it can be 3 minutes video. I've never watched even 1 minute finished because, I'm not going to continue. So the point is not the length. The point is the content and the presentation. Obviously, the quality, the audio, and everything will be able to impact all those kind of other things.